Welcome and thank you for being with us here today.
Hello, ma'am.
So quickly tell me about yourself and what you do in 30 seconds.
My name is Karan. I did my engineering in the year 2009. I'm currently working as a data scientist with Ericsson from last 5 years, and I'm helping different teams in my organization on different use cases, different problem statements, and I'm making their life easier.
Aspirationally speaking, in terms of career, where do you see yourself? What do you see yourself wanting to do 1 year down the line?
I'm into the data side. I develop different models, different dashboards related to data, and so I want to accelerate my career into data products, leadership roles basically. And definitely with the amount of experience I have, I think I would like to see myself as a data product leader.
Yeah, wonderful. And I think this is the right course for that. Also, a lot of people join the course for different reasons. So what are the two aspects of this course that you chose, the program with EMBA from ITL in product management?
So many certifications and stuff going around in the market. I felt the need to get something which is really hands-on for me, and I felt in this program I will be able to get that, the hands-on experience, and also to engage with different industry leaders to understand what experience, what struggles they have gone through. So this was one of the few points I felt.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Sounds good.